finding your comfortable position for this gratitude meditation. So gratitude has been proven to improve the well-being and feelings of goodness and wellness in people. So if you're feeling down in the dumps, this meditation is for you. So taking a moment to settle, maybe taking off glasses if you have some on. And if you feel comfortable, allowing the eyes to comfortably close. Allowing the jaw to relax. And the shoulders seem to just soften and drop down and away from the ears with each and every out breath. Each and every out breath settling, softening. And taking in a nice deep breath in and releasing and letting go. Breath in and away. And once more, breath in and away. Beginning to clear the mind of any leftover concerns from yesterday, any stresses about the future, and setting an intention to start today fresh. I invite you to place your hands on your stomach area and breathe into the hand or hands, feeling that breath expanding and contracting. Watching the breath expanding and releasing. With the intention to start your day in gratitude. Feeling the invigorating energy flow underneath your hands and spread that energy throughout the body. Bringing to mind the image of a sun and imagine it coming up over the horizon. Seeing the sun illuminating everything that it touches. The oceans, the hills, the grass, your body, your skin. And feel it touching your body, warming your body, and waking your body up. Feeling strong in the mind, feeling ready to face the day. And in the distance, you can hear birds chirping and roosters crowing as they greet the sun. See the flowers opening gratefully and tilting towards the light. And feel that sunlight washing over and around you, invigorating every part of your body. Feeling the sun illuminating your mind and bringing sunny thoughts to the mind. Repeating after me, either silently or out loud. I am grateful for this day. I am grateful for this day. Feeling the gratitude flowing through the words, not worrying what your day will look like, and letting go of expectation. Simply expressing your thanks for waking up today. I am grateful for this day. And feeling that gratitude flowing through you as you breathe easily and enjoying this wonderful moment of pure appreciation. I am grateful for this day. Now mentally saying, I am grateful for my body. Feeling that appreciation moving through each body part as you say again, I am grateful for my body. Feeling that appreciation deep within your bones as you repeat, I am grateful for my body. Now thinking of your mind, I am grateful for my mind. Expressing your thanks for your beautiful, unique, brilliant mind. And without the mind, we wouldn't be here listening to this meditation. Feeling that appreciation move through your head as you continue to repeat, I am grateful for my mind. And now mentally or out loud repeating, I am grateful for everything I will experience today. And saying this with strong conviction, whether that experience be perceived as good or bad. I am grateful for everything I will experience today. Every experience makes us who we are. Welcome the highs and the lows alike, knowing that every experience is a lesson. Every experience is an opportunity to hold appreciation in your awareness. I am grateful for everything that I will experience today. And anything in particular you're grateful for, saying, I am grateful for, and repeat the thing you are grateful for. Feeling that appreciation deeply in the body. And holding that appreciation in your awareness. Gently moving the fingers and the toes. And slowly opening the eyes.